Hello everyone, I'm back with new video अनि आजको भिडियोमा चाहिँ हामी glittery golden shimmery look गर्न जाँदैछौँ. So this video is going to be very interesting and glamorous. So watch till the end. Let's get into the video. So first ma चाहिँ म powder लगाउँदैछु because we are using a very heavy glitters. अब चाहिँ हामी eye base बनाउँछौँ. आई बेस बनाएपछि यसलाई मजाले ब्लेन्ड गर्नुपर्छ न त क्रिज बस्छ हाम्रो. Today I'm using Technique palette for my makeup look and I'm buffing around my eyelids, a very light shade brown. Now I'm creating a crease line for my makeup look. Now I'm blending it and I want to make it a bit more darker. Now I'm creating a clean base for my glitter. यो गर्दा चाहिँ अलिकति केयरफुल भएर गर्नु होला नत्र हाम्रो गाइडलाइन बिग्रिन्छ माथिको. And then blending it and setting it. Now I'm applying gel glitter. It will help me to stick my big glitters. So our final look is done. You can see how gorgeous that eye makeup look and you can also recreate it and mention us. So our creative and glam makeup look is ready. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you learned something and you enjoyed our video. अनि आशा गर्छु आजको लुक हजुरलाई मन परेको छ. यस्तै भिडियोहरु हेर्नको लागि हाम्रो च्यानललाई लाइक, कमेन्ट and share गरिदिनु होला. And if you like our video, give a thumbs up Bye, see you in next video.